everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a SENA M1 Bluetooth helmet and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this helmet is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your device, if it keeps disconnecting, if it seems like it's not responding or not working, and you're trying to fix it, this is a good troubleshooting step, especially if you've already tried a soft reset on it. Now, you are going to need to set it up again because all of the pairing history will be wiped off of the helmet. But it will be like, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do this. It's real easy to do. First thing you're going to do is you're going to come in and press and hold the power button or this middle button for 15 seconds. And after 15 seconds, that will enter it into its settings. And after you press and hold this for 15 seconds, you're going to tap the volume down button twice. Tap, tap. That's going to bring you to the factory reset option, which they'll then confirm just by tapping the power button again. Tap on the power button, and it will turn off and reset to the factory default out-of-the-box settings.